So I've got these 6-inch extended ball controls installed on my bike here, and I've been trying to figure out how to adjust this rod at the back here behind the exhaust. There's not enough space to get in there with the Allen key and undo the thing, but I've just figured it out. And what you want to do is you want to take the first one off, the front one. So undo this. I've already loosened it a bit, so I can just do it by hand. This bolt here that locks it into place, you want to undo that, and it's kind of tough to do on the back, but I managed to get in there with a spanner and just, I'll show you. So I managed to get in there with my spanner, just enough room underneath the exhaust here. Just enough room to undo it. It's kind of loose already. And then just undo it more by your hand to wherever you want. So then you just want to twist this whole rod from the front. Twist the whole rod, and it will it'll go back to where that's, wherever you got the screw. And just tighten up that bolt. Now I'm just going to put the front back on.